If you feel like you're falling behind with all the new AI tools out there, don't worry. Today I'm showing you 5 free AI tools that are not just hype but actually useful in your daily life. Whether you're a student, creator, teacher, or just curious, you'll find something that clicks. These tools can help you write faster, create better, plan smarter, and even code effortlessly. No experience needed. I've tested them myself and I'll show you exactly how they work. Let's get started. And hey, if you love learning tech the easy way, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more beginner friendly AI tips. So let's start with the AI that started it all, ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant that helps you write emails, plan events, generate ideas, or even explain tough concepts in simple words. You just type a question or task and it responds in seconds. Need a YouTube video script? Done. Want help with writing a blog post or summarizing a long PDF? Easy. It works best when you give it clear, detailed prompts, and the best part, it's free to use with an OpenAI account. If you haven't tried it yet, this one's a game changer. Tool number 2, Leonardo AI or Adobe Firefly. Both help you create images using text. Just describe what you want, like a cozy reading corner with plants and a cat, or something else, and it turns that into an actual image. It's perfect for YouTubers, social media posts, or teachers, or anybody who likes to make interesting visuals. Leonardo gives more artistic control, while Firefly is easier for beginners. Both are free with limited daily credits, and the results are just really impressive. The next one is the Notion AI. If you use Notion for notes or planning, Notion AI will save you hours. You can take messy notes and just click Summarize with AI, and boom, clean, organized summaries. It can also help you brainstorm content, write faster, and clean up grammar with just one click. Now, it's great for students and content creators as well as anybody who would like to summarize the content that you have created. You get some free AI credits on a basic Notion account. Perfect to try it without upgrading. Just try it and let me know in the comment section below. Tool number 4 is Windsurf, your free AI coding assistant. If you're into coding, whether you're a beginner or a pro, you will love Windsurf, now previously known as Codium. It's a free AI assistant for developers that works right inside your code editor like VS Code or JetBrains. Think of it like ChatGPT but built for coding. Windsurf helps you complete code, explain snippets, fix bugs, and even generates entire functions all with simple commands. You just type your prompt or use the shortcut key to get AI suggestions as you code. Now, what's cool is it supports over 70 languages and it's super fast and lightweight. And if you're not using an editor, they have even launched a full AI coding platform called Windsurf Editor, where you can write and build entire projects with AI support. It's completely free, no sign up needed, just install and plug in or start coding at windsurf.com. And finally, the last tool, which is the Gamma app. That's your secret weapon for making stunning presentations, documents, and web pages with almost no effort. You just type what you need, like create a presentation about AI tools for students, and Gamma builds slides, layouts, and visuals automatically. You can edit or drag and drop blocks as needed. It's like Canva meets ChatGPT but for decks and docs. The free plan gives you enough to create beautiful content without needing design skills. So let's quickly recap. The first tool, ChatGPT, your smart writing and idea assistant. The second tool, Leonardo or Firefly, turns text into eye-catching images. The third one, Notion AI, organizes and polishes your notes instantly. Codium, AI help while coding real time. And Gamma for making professional slides in seconds. And the best part, they are all free to start with. If you have found a tool you want to try, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech made simple right here every week. Thanks for watching, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, AI isn't here to replace us, it's here to help us work smarter. See you in the next video.